What do you have to say out of your mouth this morning? Bless the Lord, everybody. You know, sometimes you're speaking to people and all they have to say is something negative. The first word, the first sentence, everything that they say is negative. Change what you're saying. Speak life to people. Be positive. Be reassuring. Give them hope. Don't let it be said of you that everything that you have to say is negative. It is good for a man to have a good word in his mouth, and therefore, because the Bible says that, you know, that whatever is in your heart, it will come out through your mouth. And so change up how you speak to people. Check yourself, analyze yourself, and say, what is it that I have in my heart? If it is that, you know, it's nothing good, start reading the Bible. That's the best place to go. And because it has a wellspring of knowledge and understanding and wisdom and good things. So I encourage you today, speak well, be positive, and stop being negative. Choose to be positive. God bless you in Jesus' name.